Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we will continue lesson number 9. Jada saves her friends, which is a chapter in your English 2 book. So, students, this chapter is based on the theme of friendship. In this story, there are two friends, Kay and Jada. Jada and Kay are good friends, and I told you there was a magician in this story who had a magic mirror which was broken, and the pieces of that magic mirror was floating in the air. And one of the piece of that magic mirror went into the eyes and heart of K. And since that piece got into his heart and eyes, K's behavior got changed, and earlier he was a very good person, but now he did not like the company of K and his grandmother and her grandmother. He started playing with some mischievous boys at the Great Square. So we will continue this story from page number 83. Okay. So this boy K, he stopped playing with Jada and went to play with other mischievous boys at the Great Square. As the snow fell thickly and the snowflakes became larger, a person driving a large sledge appeared. A lady tall and slim and dazzling white stood beside him. She was the Snow Queen. The Snow Queen kissed Kay, and he forgot his little friend Jada, grandmother, and all at home. So, what happened while he was playing with his friends in the snow? A beautiful lady, she was coming with a sledge. Sledge is a cart which is driven by dogs. So that lady was driving a sledge and she appeared before Kay, and she kissed on the forehead of Kay, and she took him with herself. And as soon she kissed Kay, he forgot grandmother and Jada and everyone at home. So he forgot everyone. They flew over forests, lake, seas, and continents. Kay lived in the Snow Queen's icy cold palace. So when Kay seated by her side in the sledge, both the lady and the Kay, they were sitting in the sledge, and she took Kay away from that place, and then she flew over forest, lakes, seas, and continents, and Kay started living with the Snow Queen's icy cold white palace. He started living in the palace of Snow Queen. The lady which took Kay with herself was Snow Queen. No one could tell where Kay had gone, and little Jada shed many tears for her friends. Since Kay had gone with the Snow Queen, Jada felt very bad that his friend had left him, and she had tears in her eyes for Kay, because no one knew that where he had gone. Kay is dead and gone, little Jada cried. I do not think so, said Sunshine. Even the swallows believed that he was alive, which convinced Jada to look for him. So little Jada, when Kay has gone and no one could tell that where he had gone, then Jada started crying, and she said that Kay is dead and he has gone. She thought he has died, but Sunshine said that she did not think that Kay is dead, and even the swallows did not believe that he is dead. They believed that he is still alive, and all these things convinced Jada to search for Kay. Jada put on her new red shoes and went down to the river to ask about Kay. So now Jada, she wears her shoes and she went to the river and she asked to know about Kay, that where he had gone. So she went towards the river to find Kay. Is it true that you have taken my little playfellow? I will give you my new red shoes if you return him to me. Jada threw her shoes into the river, but to her surprise, they did not sink. So what happened when Jada, in search of Kay, went to the river and she said to river that I will give you her shoes if you will tell me, if you will return Kay to me. She thought that river has taken Kay with him. So she asked the river that if you will give me my friend, I will give you my new red shoes. And saying that, Jada throws her shoes in the river. But what happened? The shoes did not sink into the river. They started floating. She got into a little boat so that she could throw the shoes deeper in the river. Suddenly, the boat that she was in started floating down the river as it was not fastened. So what happened? When the shoes of Jada started floating and it did not sink in the river, what she thought? She thought that she would go by boat and then she would throw the shoes in the river so that they will sink and the shoes will get deeper. The river will take it and will return his friend Kay to him. But what happened? When she was floating in the river with the boat was not floating. Instead, the boat started going down the river. Jada started crying as she did not know how to come back to the land. Perhaps the river will carry me to little Kay, she thought, and became cheerful. As she went along, Jada reached an orchard. She met an old woman who tried to trick her into living with her. What happened? When the boat started sinking in the water, Jada started crying. But then she thought that this boat might be taking her to Kay, and she became happy. But what happened? She went along with the boat and she reached to an orchard. Orchard is a small garden where there are trees, and there she met an old woman who tried to convince her to live with her so that she could live with Jada. Then she met a raven who took her to a prince and princess. They invited her to remain at the place and enjoy herself. But Jada said that she only wanted a little carriage with a horse and a pair of boots to go out and look for Kay. So what happened? When she went with the boat, what happened? The boat reached to a place. There was an orchard, and in that orchard she met an old woman who tried to convince Jada to stay with her, but she did not stay with her. And then again she met a raven. Who is raven? Raven is a bird. So she met a bird, raven, and the raven took her to a prince and princess. The prince and princess, they were living in a palace. They invited Jada to their palace, and Jada went to their palace, and the prince and princess helped Jada into a golden carriage and provided her with a coachman. So Jada asked the prince and princess to give her a pair of boots and a horse so that she can go in search of Kay. And the kind princess gave her a coachman, a foot, and outriders. Outriders are what? They are mounted riders riding before or beside a carriage. You might have seen these outriders, those who uh, go along with the cart. So the prince and princess provided Jada with all these things. The Raman also bid Jada goodbye, and she continued on her journey. So the Raman also said goodbye to Jada, and she continued her journey. As they drove, now I will continue this story in our next class. Till then, you can write the word meanings in your English 2 copy and read this story once again. Okay, take care. Bye bye.